Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Are you experiencing a problem where WhatsApp won't open on your iPhone? Maybe the app crashes immediately, freezes on the logo screen, or doesn't respond at all when you tap it. Don't worry, in this guide, we'll walk through all the steps you can take to fix WhatsApp that won't open on your iPhone. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as app bugs, outdated iOS software, corrupted cache, or even internet connection problems. Let's go through each possible fix one by one. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. This is the simplest and often most effective solution. Restarting your iPhone clears temporary glitches that might be causing WhatsApp to malfunction. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your phone back on. Now, try opening WhatsApp again. Step 2. Check for WhatsApp updates. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and see if an update button appears. If yes, tap it to install the latest version. Sometimes, older versions of WhatsApp may not work properly with the latest version of iOS. Step 3. Update your iPhone's iOS. Outdated system software can cause compatibility issues. Go to Settings, tap General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. New iOS versions often include bug fixes that could resolve app crashes. Step 4. Check your internet connection. It may seem unrelated, but WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to load. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. You can also test other apps like Safari to confirm whether your connection is working properly. Step 5. Check your iPhone's storage. If your device is running out of space, WhatsApp can't be open. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap General. Click iPhone Storage and check how much space is left. If storage is almost full, try deleting unused apps or large files. Step 6. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the app still won't open, it may have become corrupted. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up your chats. Open WhatsApp if you can. Go to Settings >Chats, >Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. After backing up, delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store. Log in, and restore your chat backup. Step 7. Reset all settings on your iPhone. As a last resort, go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Reset and click Reset all settings. This will not delete your personal data, but it will reset all system settings, which can fix hidden conflicts that might be affecting what. After trying these steps, WhatsApp should be working again on your iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.